Hello. Welcome to Study English with Teacher Un. My name is Joey. Today, I am going to talk about the present simple tense. When we talk about a tense, we consider two things: verb form and time aspects. Let's take a look at the verb form first. Affirmative sentences. An affirmative sentence, in the present simple tense, begins with the subject, followed by the base form of the verb. Let's see some examples. I drink milk every day. Jane lives in Bangkok. The train arrives at 10 o'clock. These three sentences are in the present simple tense, and all of them use the base form of the verb. Notice that, when the subject is third person singular, we add an s at the end of the verb. Silence. Let's see some examples with s adding. Peter plays football every day. The sun rises in the east. That horse runs very fast. If the verb ends in s, z, x, ch, or sh, we add es at the end of the verb. Let's see some examples. Mike often misses the train in the evening. The mechanic fixes cars for a living. My dad watches TV every day. If the verb ends in a consonant, and, y, we change the y to be, ies. Let's see some examples. She always hurries to catch the train. Hurry becomes hurries. Another example. John never worries about his jobs. Worry becomes worries. For the words go and do, we add es. Let's see some examples. Nicole goes to school by bus. She always does homework in the bedroom. Negative sentences. For a negative sentence, we just put do not or does not between the subject and the verb. If the subject is third person singular, we use does not. Let's see some examples. I do not smoke. She does not like vegetables. Note that, in informal contexts, we usually use the contracted forms of do not and does not. Questions. For questions, we just put do or does before the subject. Let's see some examples. Do you like sushi? Does Mike work in a restaurant? Now, we are going to talk about the time aspects. General facts. General facts happen at any time or all the time. Let's see some examples. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. My parents live in Tokyo. A tiger eats meat. Repeated actions. For example, I always go to the gym. The boys play basketball every day. The manager goes to France once a week. The words, or phrases, the yellow circle, are called adverbs of frequency. They tell us how often the actions occur. Here are some examples of adverbs of frequency. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never, every day, every year, once a week, twice a month. Timetables. For example, the plane departs at 7 p.m. The store opens at 9 a.m. I have an English class at 1 o'clock. Momentary actions. Momentary actions happen exactly at the time of speaking and take a very short time. You can find momentary actions in sport narrations. For example, Thiago passes to Salah. Salah shoots. And it's a goal. That's all. I hope you have gained some knowledge from this video lesson. Thanks for watching. If you have found this video useful, you can subscribe so that you won't miss the next videos from us. See you at the next video. Bye.